Hey guys, it's Josiah, and I'm bringing you your next construction update. Alright, hey guys, I'm here with Sean, and he's going to give you guys a construction update.
They're patching and painting everything. The floor has to get smoothed out so they can get their final coat of paint on it. All the electricians are getting their demo done, new wires pulled, can lights cut in. There's some plaster patch you can see around the diffusers that they've already got their first coat of paint on it. And hopefully we just keep on painting and priming and getting her done.
Hey Sean, what's going on outside?
All kinds of stuff. We're setting door frames, block, poured a lot of concrete, getting foundations ready. So we're waiting on the brickies to throw the block up so we can do the second story.
We're standing out back now, so let's see what they got going on in there.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Alright, so what about the next update?
Well, hopefully this will be pretty much painted for seats to go in, the lighting, second floors if weather holds up so we can keep laying block, hopefully get the joist set, some decking on so we can pour more concrete and slap up more block. It's only from the ground up now.